What is up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually make money just by following along with video games. So if you enjoy playing video games, maybe you enjoy watching video games, then stick around, watch this video because I'm going to show you how it's done and it's super easy, okay? We're going to be taking advantage of trends. We're going to be taking advantage of something that you enjoy doing and it's red hot. You got to get started and not be last to the game. Now, if you already have yourself a console to game on or maybe you have a PC, then that's great, but it's actually not necessary for this method, okay? You can use it if you like to. However, going straight to the basics, if you don't have any of those and you have yourself a laptop, that's all you need: laptop, internet, and away you go. However, before we crack into the method, I do ask you guys to hit that subscribe button below because like I always say, if you're committed to making money online, then you've got to be committed to subscribing to the channel. So hit the button, and at the end of the video, if you enjoy it, don't forget to like it and don't forget to comment. But to get started, we're going to begin with jumping into my laptop here, and as we can see, I've brought up Google Trends. So like I said at the start, we're going to be following trends, and one game that has really been trending and it's kept itself up is Fortnite, okay? So we know it's such a popular game, but also another game is Apex Legends. But even if we look at Google Trends here, we can see that on this graph, it was around about March 2018, so just over a year ago when this game actually started to pick up. So if you're on that trend line, then that's absolutely awesome, and that's what we're going to be looking for. But you can see over time it has gradually gone down, but it doesn't mean you can't make money. Even if you started today, it doesn't mean that you can't make money, okay? So that's the first one. If we also look at Apex Legends, it's a little bit different, okay? So it did pick up heaps, okay? The marketing done by, I think it was EA Sports that actually made Apex Legends. The marketing done by them was absolutely amazing because what they did is they obviously had a lot of money to invest in it. And so they went out and they paid streamers to try the game, give it a go, and actually a lot of streamers enjoyed it and they started streaming it more and more, and that's how more of their following through Twitch and all their viewers and subscribers started to play it as well because they have such a big influence to their audience. So as we can see on this trend, it has gone down a little bit, but that's okay because we can still pick it up and we can still actually take advantage of it. But what I'm trying to really point out to you guys is if there is anything that comes out, a trend that starts going hard out, it's all about being first in the game, okay? If you get in there nice and early, then you're going to be top level. And if you dedicate all your time and your effort and really try hard, okay? This isn't a method that you can just sit back, relax, and let it do it for you. Just like anything, if you want to make money, you got to be committed to making it and you got to be committed to putting in the effort. However, with this method today, I will be using the examples of Fortnite and Apex Legends. But all I'm trying to say to you guys is just watch out for trends, see how it's going, and get in nice and early. So you're probably wondering what we're going to be doing for this method, and we can actually see a channel right here in front of us, Daily Fortnite Battle Royale Moments. It's got 3.3 million subscribers, so they're doing absolutely amazing. I think it's actually the top in that Fortnite compilation scene. And we can scroll down and we can actually see the kind of uploads they make and the type of views they actually get. So this one, 8 hours ago, they have 72,000 views, but most of their videos are getting over 200,000 views on them, okay? And the way they're doing it is they're not actually using their own content. They're actually using other streamers and other YouTubers' content to make compilation videos. And so if we head over to Social Blade here, we can actually get a better insight on how this channel is actually performing. And we can see that in video views, they've got over 900 million views. And so if we go down to estimated monthly earnings, you can see as per month, they can get roughly 10K all the way up to $161,000, okay? So it does depend on a few different things. It depends on your your audience retention, if you're Google preferred, or actually how convertible your audience is. Because if you have a higher converting audience, it means that you're gonna actually get better ads and higher paying ads displayed on your videos. We can also see when this user was created. So October 12th, 2017. So I think that was around about when the game came out. Don't correct me on it, but it did come out around that time, so they got in really, really early on this. And we can also actually go over to Apex Legends. We can have a look at this account here. This channel is called Top Apex Plays, so it's very similar to the Fortnite one. So what they do is they make compilations of the top Apex Legend plays. And you can see even with this one was created February 4th, so that was just as the game came out. And even this one here, they're earning a whole lot of money, so $48,000 per month, or even up to $500,000 per year, okay? So like I said, it does depend on the ads they're displaying. And we can even see the growth of the channel. So as we saw before, that trending line through Google, it was going down, but that doesn't mean that your YouTube channel is going down. We can even see this is just continually goes up and up and up. And so in the thousands, they get over 1,000 subscribers per day. And same with the views, they're getting roughly 200 to 300,000 views per day, okay? So that's just not on one video. It could be multiple videos, because once you put in that effort and you've made that compilation video and you've posted it, it can actually be months after posting it and that video will still pick up views and it will still pick up ad revenue. So now I've got this channel in front of me and we can actually see, I'm going to show you this before we actually get into how you're going to make the videos, but you can see how they can actually get their clips once they get their following. So you can see this link right here, got a clip, submit it here to be featured. So you're actually getting other people to basically do the work for you and submit their clips. So if we click on this link, it's actually going to take us through to this Google document and it just says top Apex Plays submissions, and then you have like a generic thing. So you could completely copy and paste this if you wanted to, and then you go through, they put all their different things in, epic clip, funny clips. So you can even make like a fail channel or a funny channel. We can even see the Fortnite channel is doing exactly the same thing as the Apex channel. So if we click on this link, it actually takes us to a very, very similar form. So they're very, well, I would say Apex. The Apex channel is probably copied the Fortnite channel, but you can see you've got all the different questions, and all the questions are actually pretty much exactly the same. Now, as with most things, you do have to start somewhere, okay? And if you don't know already, in order to monetize on YouTube, you have to have a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, okay? So we've got to get that somewhere. And to begin with, that means we don't have a big following. And if you don't have a big following, you might not get so many people submitting their clips to you. So what do we do before that? Well, that's super simple. All we're going to do is we're going to go into our search bar and we're going to type in something like, let's just keep it on the Fortnite trend, and we'll say, let's say Fortnite funny moments. And then once we type in that, it'll then take us to all these different videos, okay? Now, what we're going to do is we're going to click on the filter option and we're going to go down to Creative Commons. And what Creative Commons actually means is it means we can actually use any of these videos here. So we can scroll down. Even if you wanted to take the whole video itself and completely repost it, you can do that. You can legally do that because it has a Creative Commons license. If you want, another good way to do it, if you want to get clips together, is take a whole bunch of different clips here and then go into your editing software, splice them up, put them together in there, maybe put your own song in there if you like to, maybe even put own little credits and everything like that if you want to get more advanced into it. So that's a little bit of extra work that you do have to do, but that's to make your channel a little bit more unique and you can have your own sort of video, but using other people's clips. So we're going to be using those different videos and those different clips, and it's real simple to do. You just head into the video. When you click on the video, you're then going to go up and you're just going to copy and paste the URL. And then you just want to type into Google, you just want to go YouTube to MP4. And when we type in YouTube to MP4, it doesn't really matter what converter you use. You just use whatever you like, the first one that pops up, and we can convert this video. So you copy and paste the link, click convert, click download, and then once we click download, it's going to give us a couple of different options that we can use. So we'll let it do its thing. All right, so we can see the different options. Obviously, we want to download it in 720p. The highest quality always makes for the best video. So download that one, and then once you've downloaded, you head over to YouTube and you upload that video. As simple as that, okay? So if you enjoy playing video games, that's completely fine as well, okay? If you can somehow record those clips that you play, if you have some awesome clips, funny clips, fail clips, that's completely fine. You can add them on your own. But in this method, I am showing you a way that you can do it even if you don't have a console or a PC that can be able to play games and record any clips you make. So it's real easy. Like I said, step one, create a channel. Simple as that. Once you've created your channel, you then want to head over and search for different videos within that game you choose. So it might be Apex Legends, it might be Fortnite, but just find one, search for different things like fails, funny moments, anything like that, and then you want to select that Creative Commons license, okay, so we can actually legally download it and upload it. Now obviously once you've downloaded it, or maybe you've edited it yourself and you spliced it up, you upload it to YouTube, and then just keep doing that. And the best thing to do is all about pushing content, okay? Content, that's key. So every single day, upload it, okay? So if you're not uploading every single day, then you might struggle to get a big following. But if you can upload every single day, then that's perfect, okay? Because at the end of the day, it's really not that hard, guys, okay? So even if you want to keep it simple, as least time consuming as possible, then you just download a clip and upload it straight away. If you want to add a little bit more time, then you splice it up in your own editing software. But there really is no excuse to actually not be uploading every single day. Now I am going to finish this video and leave you guys with a little bonus, but before I head into the bonus, I would like to ask you one last time to hit that subscribe button below. It's greatly appreciated, guys. You can follow me along my journey, and if you like the video, hit that like button and comment below. Maybe if you have any video game, what's your favorite video game? Let me know in the comments below. But time to get into this bonus, and that is actually video length, okay? Now with YouTube, if you have a video that is over 10 minutes long, it actually displays another ad. So maybe to begin with, you don't have to worry about this until you actually become reviewed and monetized. So once you're monetized, try and make videos that are over 10 minutes, because if you make over 10-minute videos, like I said, you get an extra ad, and an extra ad means you get paid for another ad. And so if we see on this top Apex Plays channel, we can actually see all the videos, even if it's 10 minutes and 4 seconds, that's going to have 2 ads displayed on it. 10 minutes, 3 seconds, 10. So even this person here knows how to do it. They want to be uploading videos over 10 minutes, okay? So like I said, maybe not to begin with, that's completely fine, but as soon as you become monetized, try and hit over 10 minutes, okay? But I do hope you enjoyed that little bonus thing. If you did, remember to hit the like button. But that is all from me today, guys. So go get started, create your channel, upload your videos, and start making that money. And again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.